Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. To all my friends and family, thank you guys for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So today I have a guest. As you can see, I'll be doing a makeup over on this beautiful little doll here. And so if you want to see which makeup I'm going to do on her, please stay tuned. And me, your girl, I shall see you on the next side. Welcome back, guys. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just draw her eyebrows, and this is the brown pencil that I'll be using to draw her eyebrows. Okay guys, the next step that I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and try to put concealer. The concealer that I'll be using is Huda Beauty, the Pro Concealer, and I'm going to conceal those eyebrows. I'm going to go ahead and do her eyebrows, and I'll be using Fabula palette. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Those are the colors that are here on the palette, so I'll be showing you step by step which colors I'm using on her face. Now I'm going to go ahead and put primer on her face. I'll be using that makeup primer. It's a drugstore primer. So right now I'm just going to take that and put it on her face. As you all know, I like to put primer on my face. Everything I do, I have to make sure that I moisturize my face or I use primer. So always make sure that you use primer or you moisturize your face. I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC foundation in shade NW43, and I'm going to use that to put it on her face because it's the full coverage. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and do that. The next step that I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and use concealer. I'm going to highlight her, so I'm going to use the same concealer that I'll be using. I'm going to put it underneath her eyes, her chin, and her forehead. So I'll be just doing that while you're listening to the music. I'm going to go ahead and take my banana powder from Folake, and I'm going to set the highlight everywhere I highlighted. I'm going to use that banana powder there to bake the face. Go ahead and take my contour palette, and I'm going to go ahead and use this correct powder, and I'm going to contour her face. Go ahead and contour her nose, and I'm going to go in with my big blush highlighter. So after the contouring her nose, I'm going to highlight her nose, because you know I like to glow, so a girl has to glow. So after that, I'll do that. And go in with my pink blusher. I'm going to use this palette blusher, so it's so colorful. As you can see, it has all the bright colors, and I'll be using that on her face. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my gold blusher, and I'm going to put on top of the pink one, because I want her to glow, because you know I like to glow, so a girl has to glow. Now I'm going to go ahead and do her lips. I'll be using the nude pink, and I'm going to go eyeliner it with a black pencil liner. And take a setting spray from NYX, and I'm going to spray her face so I can lock up the makeup. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the tutorial. So this is the final look. As you can see, I think I really do love the eyeshadows, the way they came out. I love everything about this makeup look. I was just doing this makeup look on my little daughter. She's 15 years of age. I was trying this makeup look on her because I have a client that I need to do exact this look on her on Saturday. So I think it came out nice. I really do love it. And hey, just let me know in the comment box below what you think about this look. Okay guys, thank you so much for the love and the support that you've been showing me. I really do appreciate it. So this girl has to bounce. I shall see you again on my next video. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of my videos. So ciao, bye, see you next time, and God bless you all.